Why did I stop mastering tricking? So, I've never stopped mastering tricking. I am still mastering tricking. I'm still training tricking. I've just gotten older. And with that age comes changes, development, progression, I would say. Mastering tricking started with the idea of me helping athletes prevent injury by educating them on smarter ways to trick. Well, in educating people on smarter ways to trick, more people got into tricking. So more people got injured. And it's nothing I did. Tricking is just a very risky sport. And if you're going to be tricking, understand it comes with a lot of risk. Of course, I'm still going to be making tutorials. Of course, I'm still going to be making educational tricking content. But I'm gonna be making a lot more than that now. I'm gonna be taking you guys behind the scenes at gatherings. I'm going to be showing you guys meditations. I'm going to be showing you the building of a cat cafe. I'm gonna show you guys my life instead of just a bunch of tutorials that you can look up that I've already taught, that I can teach you again, and I probably will, so subscribe for more. It's been about 3 years since I was seriously making content and doing it in a very thoughtful manner. So, I'm back. But it's taken me a little bit to get used to, and I have a lot going on in life as well as the meditation practice. So guys, please bear in mind, I'm doing the best I can, and yeah, thank you. Thank you so much for being a part of this journey. I'm thinking Dragon Kick, i.e. Cork Shuriken Cutter, is a tutorial that I'm thinking of coming out with soon. I want to make the Tao of Mastering Tricking a really long tricking tutorial that'd be like inspired off of the Farang Jason Paul hour-long tutorial, and so much more. I'm excited to be creating again. Thank you guys, and let me know what you think. Let me know what you'd like to see me create, cause gloves are off. I'm about to make everything. Thank you.